Too bad I'm not God. I can't be in two places at once. Oh no, it's a via. And with the sun, the angle of the sun, and when you're visually impaired, you know. Yeah. Wow, that's some great timing. I just got here. I just got here. Here's a guy on the sidewalk, not supposed to be there. Oh, ain't going fast, eh? Not going fast. Must be some track maintenance being done, and repairs, and all that shit. Oh yeah, maybe because of Turcotte actually, eh? Yeah. That's Montreal, under constant renovation. Too windy to be up here anyway. Oh yeah, quite windy. No, very good. Oh, two engines, nice. It's almost a good thing it's a via because I don't have a clear view because there's not one fence here but two. There you go. Beautiful evening. Frickin' goddamn fences. Not one fence, two fences. CN, like so many things, all exaggerated.